So everyone's here on the wedding, and I'm in another hotel now. So
Tara na.
maybe
Teka lang ako ha.
try to picture.
Pwede na tayo sumida.
Saan mo nilagay yung headset ko?
Ala, hindi ko alam sa'yo ah.
She's already pictured with Brad Sunny. Yeah. So yes, he's here.
Yan. Ayun yan. 4-5 yan. Isa.
Just cut
Doon
the
ka lang naman
makeup.
hinabali.
Hindi ko napansin dali. Tingnan mo dun sa may lamesa doon.
No, I don't want to eat the chips here. Maybe
Ito.
we're so early here in the wedding.
Halata na yung
Okay naman.
So
Yeah, but
you're
what
also
time
here in the wedding.
Ha? Yeah, ba wifi?
But you're also here in the wedding. Just lower the volume of the phones so they will not kick out of sorry. You like my clothes? And then my hands. Yeah. You're taking my cut. The girl. Almighty. So even I'm making a part for today, I just wanted to say happy wedding day to me, to us. That's why we're in a wedding. Isn't it fake? Isn't it fake? What?
There's an owl
Oh, is it nice?
inside the room.
Is it a nice owl?
Ano?
Is it a pet owl? Is it a nice owl?
Hmm?
Oh, it's so cute.
Nakakasama na ako na.
Uy, congrats ah.
Alam mo sa Diyos ka. Critical ka pa naman.
Ah, naman.
Nilaro mo sa mga kasunod.
Yeah. So the grooms. I want to go to Brad Sunny for real. Just gonna zoom in. I want to zoom. How to zoom in? Making a part for
Ito ka lang na. Behave ha.
train to
You're the only child here. You're the only
Brad
kid.
Sunny.
You're the only kid in
Train
here.
to go to
Yeah,
Brad Sunny.
but you are only kid here, baby.
Okay.
They just allow us because we can control you. We promise to control you. We promise that you will gonna behave.
Oh, is this a fake one?
But if you will not gonna behave, we need to go out now, okay?
So I want to try to go to Brad Sunny by the way. Yeah. If you go right here. far away from us. Let's try to let Brad Sunny notice me today. I'm making a part of 4, Daddy. Daddy, I'm making a part of 4. I'm making a part 4.
Are you sure?
Yes. Going to Brad Sunny.
Are you sure? No, he's concentrating. Because he will conduct a wedding. You're a bus driver now.
Why bus driver?
Hmm?
Why bus driver?
Why bus driver?
Yeah.
Because you love. Hey, this is like Vita, Robin. This is like Vita.
Bakit ano ba yung sabi mo?
Yeah.
Ano sabi mo kanya?
Ano ba sabi?
Sabi niya critical daw ako. Critical daw ako.
Kasi lang, ewan ko sinabi niya.
Oh, is this so yummy? I hope it's yummy. It's so hard to bite. Too spicy also. No. Like,
Yung iPhone. Hindi makapag.
let's go. Are you happy? I'm in a wedding.
Mamaya pagka na-read na niya. Ang tagal mag-read ng iPhone.
Connected na si Robin.
If you see
Ayaw lumitaw
more,
ng enter code and password.
if you see more MCGI, the brethren, you can
May data naman ako.
messages. To save I want to cut this. From MCGI Chapel. Kuya Brad Daniel Razon. I'm making a part 4, Mommy. Earlier I made a part 3.
Just stay there. Did you see the other people roaming around?
No.
No.
Is there? Wait, when is it gonna start? When the people is here? Mommy, why is gonna take so long? The wedding stage.
No, you want to go na?
No.
We can go na.
Delicious yan.
Why it's so cheesy? It's not Vika, that's, yeah. Today's it's so cheesy. Today's update. Wedding with Kuya Mark and Sis Martin. When he said gonna start. Snappy beep beep beep. Happy for the wedding, 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 wedding.
Kinuha na nila doon nila lalaki. Yung libingan na tinusin na. Hindi sila nangangako. May problema yung nagay lang siya sa bawat.
This is my mommy. This is my daddy. And this is me. I'm the only kid here in the world.
Pero bawal yun naman.
Mommy. 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 What place you had a wedding with daddy? You're the bride and daddy is the groom.
Marikina.
What place? What
Marikina
hotel?
Hotel po, baby.
It's a marker.
Yeah, but it looks like a kulawot. Kasi po, ano ba yan? Why do you have that?
The marker? It's just an accident. Is there a kid in the Marikina Hotel in your wedding last time?
Yeah.
What's their name?
Alin?
The kid in the Marikina Hotel in your wedding.
What is your question?
What is the name of the kid in the
Wala, there's no kid.
wedding? Ouch, ouch, ouch.
We don't have kid in the wedding because all of our friends are single.
I mean the guest in the wedding, the kid, the guest.
The guests, they are all adult. They are all ates and kuyas.
No, there's no two kids there.
No, there's no kids there.
Oh. What if I'm faceless? Cheers. So cheesy and for sure. Where's that? Where did you go?
I look at the window and I said, boo.
Why did you copy me?
Sakripisyo rin ka sa oras na lang. Thank you.
My pretend my name is Kat. That's my birthday. Wow. Didn't I saw the Bible? Why did they do that?
What?
The Bible. Why did they do that? The Bible.
Because when you go in a wedding, you need to hear the word of God. Clear.
Si Jesus sumunod sa amin. Siya na kanina
Tatlo lang.
sa buhay mula
Ayun. Pagkain tatlo lang.
wala na tayo.
Hindi ka lang sa
Si
buffet.
Jesus sumunod sa The new Bible is blue, right?
Nakauwi pala yung kapatid niya.
Si Jesus. Why? Why?
What, why?
That one. Let's look, oh. Why? Why do you always do that?
You can play stay here or under the table.
Under the table.
Not there, not there. Just here. Your secret your secret room.
Your secret room.
Okay? Okay?
Okay. Where's myself? Where's myself?
Okay naman pala din. Okay naman pala.
Fine.
Now, my secret. No, I don't want a secret. I don't need a secret room in the hotel. I mean, in the wedding. I need the secret room in the room. Now, there's no earth.
Wait lang.
Wala na atrasan. Wala na.
Stay here, anak ha.
Oh.
Grabe. No, baby. Just here. Come here na. Come here. Stay here. Can't you see you're the only kid here? Baby, behave lang.
I'm gonna go to daddy.
No, baby, you don't need.
Why you're all saying is no, no, no when I go to my family member?
Hey, we are in the event. Just stay there. If you want to go na, let's go na. Ano? You feel bored?
No,
So now we can go home na.
no, I don't want to go home.
We can let your daddy stay here.
No, I don't care.
Oh. Why are you slapping me?
Because you said you want me to go home alone.
I'm not saying you go alone. I said that the far. If you feel bored, we can go home na. We can go to the hotel na. I am making some options for you. It's for your own good. If you want to go home na, let's go home na. Let's go to the hotel. I am not mad. I am just concerned about you because I know you will gonna feel bored here.
No. No. No.
Stop it na.
Why everyone is taking a picture with Brad Sunny? Why is that? What?
Just let them be.
Even they're not FCJ, right?
Oh, bakit? Why? How about you?
I'm FCJ. See you later. Because this video is long, then see you later.